leaving in a hurry, and if I don't get ran over, I am going for loot, sneaking into the Pennsylvania countryside for this one. I've been after one of these for a while. Well, I'm always after them, but I haven't picked one up this year until tonight. Will it be a doozy? Here we are in old PA. Old roads and hilliness. Love PA. If I did it over again, here's where I'd live. It's beautiful out here, but so much for beauty. Let's go pick up treasure. That's a VV80. Camden, New Jersey. Any ideas? This is a nice one. I'm happy with this. Well, I would say mission accomplished. I just picked up a nice, old, working, in great shape typewriter that I'm pretty happy about. I like buying those typewriters, especially when they come in a case. Now I gotta sneak back into Delaware. I think it's gonna take me into Maryland and then Delaware, so. Enjoy the ride, and when we get home, I will show you the treasure for Thursday. Had to do it today because there's going to be a monsoon on Saturday, so it don't look like there'll be any yard sales. There they are, stinking Amish. Look at them. They're dirt farming. Check them out. We're going to stop too. Look at it. This is old time farming. The stuff's a flying out the back, man. Old Essakai and Malachi right there. That is old time farming. Over here, same thing. Whole team of them. You can't see it, man. That is so cool. And this is Amish country. So getting a little bit old time farming. So here we go, back at the shack. Here it is. This is a nice one. Let me get it out. Ooh, I can't do it and hold the camera, so okay, here she comes. There it is. It's the Remington Ran. And this is the Deluxe. This is a nice one. I don't have this particular one. It's a little dusty. I don't care about that. It's new, she stuck new ribbon in this one. So this is a nice one. Pretty pleased. And I've seen one of these. These can go from 80 on up to about 180. I seen one go for something ridiculous with $120 shipping. So this is, can I say it again? This is a nice typewriter. It's very nice. And look at all of it. And let's pop it out of here and further gander at it. The only thing here is it's a little dusty. I can wipe it off. I mean, this is a beauty, man. I'm digging this one. I'm gonna keep it for a while too. I just sold a typewriter. Look at it. I think this is I'm not quite sure, but wow, I'm impressed. I can stick this up there with a couple of my other nice Remingtons now. I'm gonna start displaying these bad boys because they are nice looking typewriters. You know it, I know it, and the people YouTube know it, and the baby works. So there it goes with the old one finger job. But everything's here, all the bells and whistles. This is a clean, nice working typewriter. $35, I would do this all day long. If you guys are out and about and you see these pop up, bang on them, man, because they're worth it. So here we go. That'll join the Remington family now. I guess this is still the best one. But that is nice. This is another nice one. And this is another model of the Rand. And I don't know who's older. I think this one is. So, not sure who's got the better one. So, that's a Rand too. This is the 5. So, these are all Remington Rands. This one is Model 5, Model 5, Remington. There's 3 different types of the Ran. Deluxe. Don't know. This is smooth finish. These are more of the rough finish. So these are great typewriters, by the way. And I'm happy to have them. And these were all picked up on Facebook Marketplace in the Delaware Valley. All of them were. I've got a lot more, but these are the only 3 Remingtons that I have. So feast your eyes. That is a smashing pickup today. That was $35. I forget what I paid for that, and I bet you I didn't pay but $20 or $30 for that one. I think that one was like $40 or $50. That was well worth it too. Have to go back and look at the video. I am a collector of many things. Typewriters is up in my top 10, and I've got quite a few of them. Like I said, I just sold one, so they do sell. They sell well, really. So right now I only have one on, and that one will sell eventually. So here's what I got for today. Let's go over the last 5 sales, quick sales these were. So let's check them out. Might have been 6, but right off the bat, this is not even a week's worth of sales for me. And me being part-time is no big deal, but I show you everything I sell. First thing up, jadeite chicken. That came from the clean out, so there it goes, banging quickly too. That went right out the door. Then I bought a bunch of fans, if you've seen it. That video where I bought a bunch of fans. The 2 that needed repairs. The little one sold, and I put a bigger one on, and that sold quickly too. So the Westinghouse went for $75, and the little guy went for $32 or $35. I think I was full price. They're both gone, so. And they're nice little. The next 2 sales were auction style. So I was going to take this box of trains up and just throw it in the trash, and I said, let me put it on auction style and see what I can get. Got $34. I think that's what it is. So there it is. And then a googly eye doll that I picked out of the last house we cleaned out. Googly eye creepy doll. It's a little one. And when you move the legs, it kind of did this twist head thing. You know, little exorcist crap going on, but $12. Or 11 chains, something like that. That was that went out the door. I started at it and it got the 1 bid, and that was it. Or it might have got 2. So, but it's gone. And this right here, it sat for the longest stuff I had sitting, well over 2 years. Girl Scout, badges, and a ring. Full price, but it finally went out. I was riding home from this, just picking this up, and I seen, oh, finally. So I dug it out of the archives, and there it was. Girl Scout and Boy Scout stuff. If you got time to let it sit, buy it. That's up to you. Some people get lucky with it. I don't. So if I can pay $1 for it, I'll still buy it, but I'm not going out of my way to pick it up. This is my Thursday pickup. Is another stinking beauty of a typewriter right behind me. Plus, I've brought out a couple to show and tell. Vintage typewriters, got them when they're cheap, and on yard sale Saturday, I pay $5 or $10, and I get a lot of the Corona ones, Smith Coronas, and those. They go for $100, $120, and you get some funky colors. They can go a couple $100. So pay attention to them. That's it for today. This is my loot, and I give a toot, and out I go. So next time, till the next time, I say later.